Raspberry and Coconut Loaf Cake, absolutely wonderful homely classic. And one coffee house was trying to charge £4 a slice. I think not. Let's make our own. You want to line a £2 loaf tin and preheat your oven to 170 degrees centigrade fan. You need 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of softened butter, and you want to whisk that up until it is fluffy. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you're going to add in 3 eggs along with 200 grams of self-raising flour. Now, one technique I love to do is I add 1 egg and 1/3 of the flour. When you do this bit by bit, it sort of doesn't curdle and makes the mixture nice and smooth. Just keep repeating this process until the 3 eggs are used up and, of course, all the self-raising flour. The other thing you need to add is 50 grams of desiccated coconut, and when you've added that for a couple of minutes, just stop the machine, just make sure you run a spatula around it, and then you're going to add about a couple of tablespoons of milk. What this does is it allows the mixture to be dropping consistency. Place the mixture into the tin, and then you want to cook for around about 40 to 50 minutes. Partway through, around about half an hour, you don't want it to overcolour, so you will cover it with tinfoil and carry on cooking for 15 minutes. Once it's cooked, you are going to take it out and let it cool properly. Let's make the buttercream. That's 100 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 50 grams of softened butter, and just start to mix it up. Then you want to add in about a tablespoon of milk. You don't want to overdo this because you don't want it too loose. Then's the jam. I use seedless raspberry jam and around about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then I'm just popping that buttercream on top. I first off put it in the centre, then dot it around the edge. And that helps to spread it because you really don't want it to look like a real pink mess. And once I've spread it out, I sort of make these little peaks on top because I'm going to add another couple of tablespoons of desiccated coconut. It is delicious, and yes, I have absolutely no idea why it's so expensive in some of the stores, but make your own. You're going to enjoy it. This is great for a birthday treat, for a summer party, or just enjoying with a cup of tea. Anyway, if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.